Hey guys, welcome back with another outstanding video. Guys, in this video we will discuss that when you try to add your payment method or purchase any app or any other subscription in your iPhone or iPad in App Store, you find this problem that payment method declined. To continue to sign in, then update your billing info. So how can you fix this problem? So guys, we can easily and simply fix this problem. So simply guys, you may put here your Apple ID password and guys click on continue on top right corner. So guys, you may check that you are facing this problem again. So how can you fix it? We can fix it guys very easy. So simply first of all you may go back and cancel it, and guys here is the option of your Apple ID. Click on settings and click here on Apple ID guys, and scroll down. Here is the option of media and purchases. Click here and click on view account. Click on country or region. Click on change country or region, and guys you may select your country from here. If you live in USA you may select that, or if you live in any other country you may select any country where you live, you may select that country guys. So these are terms and conditions. You may click on agree on top right corner to accept these terms and conditions. So guys here you may write credit card, debit card or any other payment method which is acceptable in your country or region. So I am putting here my credit card number. After this guys you may write here your billing name and billing address. So I am putting billing address fake one. You have to put your original. Then guys click on next on top right corner. So guys you may check that your payment method has been updated and now you can purchase any app or subscription. To check your payment method, click on settings guys, and you may click here on your Apple ID and click on payments and shipping. So guys you may check that your payment method has been added successfully. Now you may update any other payment method here, or add payment method here, or if you want to remove this payment method you may click on that payment method and click on remove, and you may also remove that payment method here also. So by this method guys you can fix this problem easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.